I made a poster here. I wonder if I could zoom in so you can just see the idea. Yep. Oh wow. Oh, I love that. And so the Baker Lab actually paid for all of that for me to do the exhibit there. And then if I could just, I can zoom into that picture right there. Can you see that? You can't see anything. Chibage. Chibage is Shona, which is the language that I speak to in Zimbabwe. It means maize, and maize is one of the most popular agricultural crops, right? And Chibage chip, basically the idea was you would have this chip that looks like, oh, where'd it go? Oh no, where'd it go? Oh, I can't start again. Oh no, that's too far back. I can't scroll back that far. Okay, I'm gonna have to send it to you guys later. But the idea was this, right? Because I can't go all the way back again. It took way too long.
It's very far.
It's because it was in 2018, so it's been a while since then. But the idea, anyway, is that imagine a sensor, right? In your words, in your world, your life, imagine a sensor, right? A sensor, a chip sensor, right? A biosensor that can detect an electrical signal in plants. That electrical signal is mediated by a protein that is able to detect a specific chemical or hormone that is only secreted in plants when they are in a drought situation. So when they are stressed by abiotic conditions, right? Whether it's heat or thirst, essentially like lack of water, that stuff. And turns out there actually is a plant hormone. Like this is the stuff that is not all the way validated, but there's this publication I found from Duke University that we can build upon, because it seems like they've done some stuff that was very similar to what I had in my mind, even though I spoke to some plant biologists who were like, I don't know if that's possible, but other people think it's possible. Anyway, so there is a hormone that plants do secrete when they are thirsty. So it's considered a drought resistant hormone. So when there have many people who have been looking into engineering crops that basically have a lot of this hormone, so that it shows up in the xylem or phloem or whatever in the system, the central system of the plant, so that basically turns on all the drought resistant properties, so that plants can basically survive in drought areas. My idea is more about having a chip that senses that hormone, since it's only secreted when plants are basically crying for help, right? Ben says, interesting. Since this hormone is only secreted when plants are basically crying for help, if we can detect it, and because it's a hormone, it's a small molecule, which means therefore it will have an interplay in the electrical signaling, right?